here's the framing of the conversation. So when I talk about how we pay for energy efficiency work, it's in the context of a green revolving fund. And there's going to be a session on it tomorrow. CalTech is one of the signatory institutions to get on board with this type of funding mechanism. It is essentially funding an energy retrofit through avoided utility cost, but doing it very aggressively and doing it with a lot of data from the operation. It isn't simply cut the check, pay for the investment, and walk away. We have to keep the operation at its most efficient point for the duration so that we can guarantee when we transfer funds from the utility savings back to where the money came from, that those savings show up at the meter. That's the expression I use all the time. It has to be at the meter. If it isn't at the meter, I can't guarantee that that savings actually is happening, and then you can flip over pretty quick. You can see by the numbers on the bottom, it's not a trivial amount that we're investing in a yearly basis. We're kind of hovering around the high $3 to almost $4 million a year now in investments in energy efficiency with this type of funding model. Savings, revolving fund, implement the work, and then keep the cycle going forward. And as I mentioned, a very data-driven process.